And as I start to hang my head in front of failure's face, my downfall is broken by the memory of a race.
Young boys lined up, each hoping he would win, or take at least the second place, and make their father smile. And fathers watched from the other side, each cheering for his son. And every boy hoped in his heart that he would be the one. The whistle blew and off they went, young hearts and hopes on fire. One boy was running fast and thought,
My dad will be so proud.
but running fast across the field, he slipped and fell to the ground. His father looked and watched his son and showed his nervous face.
Get up and win the race.
The boy got up and tried again, but slipped and fell once more.
There's no sense in running now. Why try anymore?
But then he thought about his dad, who soon he had to face.
Get up and take your place. You're not for failure here. Get up and win the race.
So the boy rose and ran again and finished the long race. Although he came in last, the crowd began to cheer.